guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do another 10-minute cleaning motivation thing. I love these and I love this nasty fridge because that means we're going to get a very satisfying after. Trust me, I didn't let it get this way on purpose, but it makes for a good before and after. So we're just going to organize, wipe everything down, clean everything out, get rid of expired food, and make everything look super nice and shiny and pretty. So I'm going to start by taking everything off of the top, not really worried about organizing yet, just getting it all off of the top, and then once I'm off of the ladder, then I will start to organize. Does anybody else just forget that they have food up on top of the fridge? I do all the time. I'm like, hey, where is my... Oh, wait. It's on top of the fridge. And oh my goodness, I really need to dust up here a whole lot more often. This was pretty nasty, not gonna lie. Should have done a before and after of that, but oh my goodness, it was pretty dusty. So then on the inside of the fridge, I like to start with the door and do top to bottom. Just, when the crumbs fall, you don't have to do everything twice. Common sense. And I like to take things out of the packaging so it's easy to grab right at my fingertips whenever I need it. And it just kind of looks nicer, I think, in my opinion. So how often do you guys go through all of your condiments and look at all the expiration dates? Apparently, I do not do it far often enough because I had something expire in 2019 that I was holding on to, and that was pretty ridiculous. I also like to hoard restaurant packets. If you guys ever need like soy sauce or ketchup or barbecue sauce, hit me up, let me know. I got you covered, girl. So, starting in the main part, I'm not going to worry about organizing yet. I'm just going to take everything out and wipe it down from top to bottom again. And then whenever I put everything back in, that's when I'm going to organize it and put it all where I think it should go. Like, why did I keep trash in there? That was so random. So spray everything down, top to bottom, sides, back, drawers, spray it all down, and then start wiping. I also need to figure out a better way to film myself whenever I'm cleaning out my fridge, because I apparently just put my back to the video the whole time, and I'm so sorry. I'm new. I'll figure this out one day, maybe. So we go through a ton of eggs, like at least 6 a day, sometimes more. So I have to buy this giant box, but I hate the giant box in my fridge. So I figured out that the little carton fits perfectly inside this drawer, and I love it. It's so satisfying when you open the drawer and you see like all these little eggs waiting for you to cook them up. It's so nice. I love that they fit just right in there. And now my favorite part is putting everything back in there, organizing it, making it look nice and neat. And yes, we do go through that much cheese. We love cheese in this house. So stay tuned on my channel. Next week I'm going to show how I cook up all this food and do like what we have for dinner this week. So stay tuned for that. That'll be interesting. So I'm finally all done. Got all my condiments organized. There's my hoard of ketchup packets. And then got all my yeast and my milk and my syrup on that shelf. My sandwich cheese and all my butter and cream cheese. And then I got all my bread products and chips up top. And then I got my little shelf of leftovers, some jam, and then some sandwich meat and hot dogs. I got my cheese drawer, my egg drawer, and then the produce drawer, which really needs to be refilled. I need to go to the store. But thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye!